is Rena from CRUKING. Our company is a top professional construction machinery exporter with 30 years experience. Today we are in JINGONG factory to check machines. The machine behind me is JINGONG wheel excavator JGM9075LN-9. Now I will show you more details. The operating weight of this excavator is 6.8 tons and its bucket capacity is 0.3 cubic meters. The length of its boom is 16.4 meters. The arm is 1.75 meters. With the multi-way valve tailored for JINGONG wheeled excavator, it has great power and faster speed. The combined movement time of arm swing and lifting is short, which improves the work efficiency. Now let's check the engine. This excavator is equipped with Yuchai engine. The rated power is 55 kilowatts. Equipped with engine of National 3 standards, it has strong power and reduces the fuel consumption and pollutant emissions. Next, I will show you the cabin. The cabin features superior visibility for the driver and equipped with powerful air conditioner and heating system, which are more comfortable to operate. The gear level is placed in front for easy operation. The ergonomic cab is beautiful, designed with a wide view and exit interior. This excavator can guarantee your safety and help you finish your toughest job. So if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact me.